Ever wish you could understand a complex document without actually having to read it? Yeah, we've all been here, staring at a giant wall of text in a lease or a contract. But what if you could skip all that reading and just get the answers you need? This is DocuIntelli AI, and it completely changes how you deal with any document. The idea is pretty simple. Instead of reading, you just have a conversation with your docs. Ask about fees, deadlines, anything. You get a direct, cited answer straight from the text. And get this, you can actually start using it right now for free, $0. The free plan lets you upload 3 documents and ask 5 AI questions every month. And of course, when you're ready to level up, there are some simple plans for that. The starter and pro plans unlock way more capacity for just a few bucks a month. You can see the jump is huge, from just 3 docs on the free plan to 100 on Pro. And the Pro plan has this killer feature, global chat. Ask one question across all your docs. But it's not just about asking questions. The platform is actually watching your back. You'll get proactive email alerts so you never get surprised by usage caps. So that's the real difference, right? From total confusion to a simple, clear answer. So you have to wonder, what important answers are hiding inside your documents?